look at here. This is your maths notebook. Okay. Now take your crayon color. Firstly make one standing line. Then make one curve. Then sleeping line. Number 12. Firstly make one standing line. Then make one sleeping line. Then make one curve. Then sleeping line. Number 12. Firstly make one standing line. Then make curve. Then sleeping line. 1 to 12. One standing line. Then make curve. Then sleeping line. Number 12. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Okay students, I hope you all are understood. Do practice at home. Take care. Bye bye.